Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous video, we have seen how to sign up and sign in Power Automate and how the user interface of Power Automate looks like. In today's video, what we will see is how many types of flow or what are the types of flow that we have in Power Automate. Okay, so let's get started. So if I go and click on create, here you will be able to see that how we can go and create our flows. Okay, so basically there are three ways to create or make a flow. Okay, so one is creating a flow from scratch, that is from a blank template or from blank, that is one way. The other way is from a template, like selecting a template and basis that template we are creating a flow. And the third option we have is from the connector. So these are the three ways wherein you can go ahead and create a workflow in Power Automate. Now let me explain you this particular flows that you can see from start from blank option. One is your automated cloud flow, one is your instant cloud flow, then you have the scheduled cloud flow, desktop flow, and process mining. Okay, so basically these are the types of flow that you can use. Now automated cloud flow basically means that you don't have to manually go and click on a button, or you don't have to go and every time run this flow manually. This is automatically. What will happen here is it will trigger the outcome, or it will trigger the flow, and basis that flow your Power Automate will run and give you the output for the process that you have set. Okay, that is what the automated cloud flow is. Okay, so if you see, it is clearly mentioned which says triggered by a designated event. If I have created an event that whenever I receive an email in my inbox, it should automatically save the attachment. If it is having the attachment, it should automatically save the attachment into my folder. That is what I have set an event. So I don't have to every time go and see whether I have received a new email, then press the button and then this flow or this event will run and then I will get that attachment. No, it is an automatic flow. It will automatically trigger as per the process that you set. Then you have the instant cloud flow, which is triggered manually as needed. So instant cloud flow basically means whenever I need, I will just go and click a button. I will just go and click on the flow and it will run for me and it will give me the output. Okay, that is what the instant cloud flow is. Then you have a scheduled cloud flow. Basically, you can just go and schedule your cloud flow whenever you want. So I want my flow to run every day at 10 a.m. So every day at 10 a.m. this flow will run and you will get your output for the process or the event that you have set up. Desktop flow is basically an automated process wherein whatever things that you use on your desktop, like opening a browser, logging into an application, so on and so forth. Okay, that is what a desktop flow can do for you. That we will see a desktop flow series. So we will see that in our coming videos. We will also having videos on desktop flow. And then you have the process mining, which evaluate and optimize your existing processes and tasks. Okay, that we'll see in our coming videos. Okay, so these are the basic thing that we are going to use if we are creating a flow if we are creating a blank flow. Then you have the start from a template. There are a lot of templates given by Power Automate. You can go and select any of the template you want and then create your flows. Okay, so example, if we are talking about I want to forward email to a channel, like to a Teams folder or to a group of teams, I can do that. Okay, I can analyze. I mean, there are a lot of templates. Forward emails to a chat. I want to go and forward an email from my Outlook to Teams application. I can do that. So these are the templates which are pre-built by Power Automate team. So you can use it. Then you have the start from connectors. If I want to connect to Office 365 Outlook, I can do that. I can connect to Microsoft Forms. I can connect to OneDrive for Business, Outlook, Power BI, SQL, so on and so forth. And all the connections, if I click, I will get the list of connections that I can connect to through Power Automate. Okay, so this is the list of connectors that I can use. You have lot of connectors that you can use, more than 450 plus connectors that you can use in Power Automate. So yes, these are the ways that we can create our flows using Power Automate. Okay. In our next video, we will create our very first flow in Power Automate. Okay. So yes, that's all about in today's video. Hope you like this video. Please comment below and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.